From this video, you will learn how to make $1,000 to $5,000 a day as a beginner using other people's money. And interestingly, others will be more than interested to investing in you. I will show you who the others are. I will show you the wrong way to do it that you should always avoid. And I will show you the right way to do it that thousands of people are doing it every day. You should start from today, and for that you can use my software Epic. Free access link to Epic is in the description, go get it. The best part of this video is my software Epic will do 99% of the work for you using artificial intelligence. Get Epic from the link in the description. We make $1,000 to $5,000 per day using the exact same system, and you can make that too. This system is 100% beginner friendly, and you can start doing it and start making money starting today without any website, without hosting server, without creating products, without driving traffic, without any experience, and without technical knowledge. You can get paid using PayPal, using bank transfer, using Stripe, or any other methods, including crypto or digital currency. And you can make money from anywhere in the world. Before we begin, it's important to tell you about our goal of this channel and how you can participate in our journey. All we want from you is to be a part of our noble mission of helping 100 million individuals and families get rid of their financial distress by earning online. From you, we need only two things. Hit the like button below and share this video with your friends and family. Share in social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. Message your social media contacts, social media groups, and private chat groups like Reddit, Messenger, Telegram, and WhatsApp chat groups. This is the only way you can help us reach 100 million individuals and families within next 10 years and help them with the right education on how to make money online the right way, the easy way, and the fun way without wasting time, money, and energy, and without doing it in the wrong way. So go ahead, hit the like button, share this video. By the way, if you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next How to Make Money Online video. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic. And we make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos, $5,000 from 1,000 visitors, and we made over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors from our videos. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. If you hate being on the camera, I have a good news for you because we don't need to use cameras. We use cameras on this channel because we love to, but we don't need to. Epic allows us to make videos using simply copying and pasting free images, links, and texts. We don't need to record our voice using microphone because Epic makes natural voice over using text-to-voice technology. Epic writes the scripts for our videos using built-in artificial intelligence with a push of a button. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well. From inside their user dashboard, they can use our videos as templates and make their own videos using them. But we are not going to stop there. We will give you more softwares and training, so there is no way that you can't make money online. All the links are in the description, go get them. Before we go to the right way to do it, let me show you a wrong way to do it that went really wrong. Elizabeth Holmes was one of the most successful female billionaires in the history. Elizabeth Holmes was successful after years of hard work. She was able to make investors invest $92 million in her company at the beginning. In 2014, Elizabeth's company, Theranos, was valued at $9 billion and had raised more than $400 million in venture capital. it's all other people's money, the investors. And the target was customers. So this is all other people's money. But she lost everything because she was a fraud and she lied to the world. Elizabeth Holmes lost everything, her name, her fame, and wealth, because she took an impossible project. She started generating capital using promises. When she found that project was impossible, she started lying and she kept on lying. And eventually she went from top to the world to be known as fraud, liar, and a thief. Investors will never invest in her projects ever again. But I'm going to show you how you can use other people's money to make money the real way, the right way, and the fun way. While Elizabeth Holmes lost everything, hardworking people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars telling stories about her. Now, this is going to be funny if I said that instead of lying and stealing money, she could have simply started a YouTube channel or maybe started shooting TikTok videos. She doesn't have to dance half naked. She could have made videos about her knowledge, her vision, her skills, and change people's lives for real. Good for you that you are watching this video today. So here is my sincere advice to you. Stop looking for shortcuts. There is no shortcut. There is the only way to make money online. Give people what they want and they are ready to spend money for. They will spend money on you and you will make money. For example, 673,000 people search for the keyword Elizabeth Holmes on Google every single month. And people use over 2,000 different keywords to search about this lady on Google every single month. On YouTube, the number is a lot higher, 1.85 million people worldwide. 1.8 million people search for the keyword Elizabeth Holmes and want to hear her story. Well, I will drop the list of all the keywords I found from Ubersuggest in the description below. Make short videos about these keywords and publish on YouTube as YouTube Shorts. Why Shorts? Because it's interesting. Look at YouTube search results. You see the number of views on the 1 minute shorts? 800,000 views, 10,000 views, 2,000 views, 57,000 views, 13,000 views, 7.5 thousand views. These are simply 1 minute short videos. You can make money like us and make $5 from every visitor you get from YouTube videos. For that, you need to make product review videos, or you just can choose to make product review videos. 23,000 people look for the keyword squat stand on YouTube, and over 10,000 people look for squat stand on Google. Look at Amazon. This squat stand has over 2,000 high rating from customers. This will definitely sell well and you will make money as an affiliate if people buy from your link. Here you go, some of the shorts on squat stand. 100,000 views and 17,000 views. 2.3 million views and 500,000 views. Honestly, you should really start doing it right now. Let's make an easy product review videos of this product using my software Epic. And after you publish your video, put the link in the description, and in your video, ask your viewers to purchase from your link in the description or in the first comment. This way people will buy from your link and you will get affiliate commissions completely passively. You don't need your product, you don't need website, you don't need technical knowledge. Just follow this video. We're gonna make a video right now. This system works for all kinds of products of Amazon, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. So the products you are selling can be software products, course products, digital products, physical products, anything at all. Okay, question, why are we talking about shorts or short videos? Because shorts is a new feature for YouTube and YouTube is trying to make it popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So YouTube is promoting shorts and shorts creators heavily. And it makes our life super easy because it's just 1 minute video and it can be made using amazing AI softwares like Epic in just 3 minutes. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here's a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want, for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text to audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way and the fun way. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. Also, you can help your friends and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video and we will see you in the next video.